guys! So, tapos na kami kanina kumain. Andito naman kami sa Sunlit Supermarket. We are going to look around. Tingnan natin anong mga meron. Yan ang mga Chinese kuan. Ang mga vegetables. How much is the pichay? Oh, the pichay is cheap, be. Only 160 per bun. We got it, yeah, we got it for $2.50 in T-bones. Oh, this is what we ate, be. In the, kuan? Restaurant. Hmm. Of which one? I still have some of this one at home. Yeah. Wala, grabe ang okra, oh. $6.99 ang okra. Di ka malipong. Oh. Haval. Oh, it's good. How much purchase?
$30.
$30? Oh, okay.
Something that 160 or something.
How much is the itlog?
How much we have to spend there?
Oh, $4.60 per dozen. Oh, how much is the QP? I'm running out of QP already. QP, not $12.99 man. That's the one I use for the sushi, baked sushi. The sushi bake. Yeah, the baked sushi. I've done it before. Huh? Unsa man? Spare bata? These packets are for soup mix. Soup mix. The soup mix is only $1.99.
They're having a sale from $4.30 down to $1.99, better than half price.
Yeah. Which one I don't have anymore? Cinnamon. Mochi. Hello, they have mochi ice cream, ha?
Yeah.
Mochi ice cream. Tira, Hello Kitty. So, ayan guys, ang daming dumpling, oh. Pak, ang daming dumpling. Pak. Dumpling. So, dito guys, ang daming kuan, oh. Ang daming mga kanang chopaw spouse. Ah, grabe, oh. Chopaw pa kaliha. I like this one, oh. Mantaw bread. Kanang isaw-saw sa chili crab. So, kung gusto mong magsangyup, oh. Sangyup sal meat. Ayan, oh. Yeah, they use it for the sangyupsal. Ayan, mga dumpling, may mga siomai. Chinese soup, no, I don't know how to make it. Oh, this is where I want to buy fish ball. I still have a little bit of fish ball left. But these are the ones, these are katong fish ball. U-shape roll. Pero dagko makay putos. The package are very big. I don't need so much. Ay, this is the one I want, the crab stick. Be, I want crab stick, be. This one. Crab stick. Nagpila man yung crab stick. 500 gram. Kibon, 500 gram. $10.99. Kalahamski ba? 1 kilo is $14.99. 1 kilo. O niya, ang half kilo is $10.99. Na, binuang na. Dili na lang kus 1 kilo. No. 1 kilo is $14.99. Half kilo is $11.
Yeah.
Na, I'll buy kanina lang isa ka kilo. 500 grams. There's also $7.99. Crab meat. Crab stick. Da kanira.
So the $10 one is different.
Hmm.
Buffalo price.
Yeah. Uy, mga isda. Can you hold it, babe? I'll take a bag. So, mga squid, oh. Mga kuan.
Is lizard fish mas baby?
Lizard fish. I don't know what's lizard fish.
This is lizard fish. What is it?
Well, as long as it's not lizard like lizard. Pag-ibig.
This is a pork
Oh, dere.
fish. Huh?
Ok fish.
What is? Oh, I see. Look, these are individually wrapped.
Individually wrapped.
That's why it costs more.
Ngon si Michael, lizard fish yung nagigamit aning kuan, aning crab stick. And then I said, as long as it's not real lizard aning meat, di buta. Yung din siya, it's okay as long as it's not ok-ok. Say uko. Takaman siya. Uy. Sunod, B. Dire say, magkuan ta, lit kita dire, unsay madaw-daw ta. Grabe yung lemongrass, oh, tag 3.99. Ang lemongrass, lahams tayo, 3.99. Mamupo lang ako sa mong likod. Oh, they have the, kuan, oh, yung coconut.
I like that one.
Oh, it opened ah. I-select ha. Pila man ni siya, coconut strip. We can make buko salad. Buko salad. Maybe for my birthday. But still very far. Layo pa kaayo. So, hantig mga vegetarian chorbalu. So, mga diri, mga snack. Oh, all the seeds, be. Maybe they have the one that we snack, be. The one from Woolies, be.
The one that made us sneeze.
No, not the one that made us sneeze. The other one. The one that we enjoyed.
So close.
It's like that. It's sunflower seeds, but the packaging is different. Ah, nantig mga jelly, be, oh. Mga jelly. Ay, which reminds me, I need tapioca pearls. Katong gagmay, the small one. Gagmay nga tapioca pearls. Maybe it's together with, ay, here, tapioca pearl. But, they only have the colored one. Tapioca pearl. Is there any at the top? Ay, kani gagmay. This one.
Ah,
This one. Tapioca pearl. Yeah, guys, tapioca pearl. Oh. So big. Tapioca pearl. Look, grabe be. Pop mo ni ginatawag guys nga. Popcorn. Daghan ka ay siya. Perting dakuha oh. Tabunan dos kuya oh. Isa man sa siya. Oh, kadako ba ni ani? Dalawa. Oh, it's so big. Huh? What is that?
I don't know if we eat it. I think we just feed it.
Foodie. Ay, it's this one, babe. Babe, it's this one. Babe. Spice flavor. But I think it's the other one that we like. No? The other packaging. Maybe not this one. No. One sunflower seeds among ginahanap mo og kuan snack.
These are tomato chips there.
Huh?
Yes.
Kamatis flavored?
Yeah.
Tomato flavored seed kuno siya. Tomato flavor na snack. Sa mga nangita o kupiko. Narang mga kupiko. Starring ang mga kupiko. Ay, diri oh. May mga old na T. Ah, rose tea be, rose. Rose tea. Mga tinuod nga mga tea. Rose tea. Oh. Ang Filipino flavor here. Sorry be. Abi. Halo-halo.
That's the rice and grass.
Halo-halo. Unsa?
The rice and grass.
Rice. Lalang grass. So many different teas, ha?
Yeah.
Ang mga tofu.
Bitter melon tea, baby.
Unsa mga?
Bitter melon.
Bitter melon?
Ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
See?
Hello, bitter
Slices
melon.
of bitter melon becomes a tea.
Bitter melon tea? Oh, I didn't know that.
Roasted bitter melon.
Must be very bitter for a tea. Of course na, bitter melon gani. Samo.
Sip, slowly.
Tofu. To make kuan kanang to make adara o silken tofu oh. To make kanang taho ski. To make taho. Tofu, pansiter. Pansit, ginger. Dumpling. That's the wrapper that Tate Ruby used, the dumpling wrapper. You want any drink, be? Some drinks are on special. Special 199, 149. Soft drink.
Asian milk tea is on special.
Where?
Yeah, 119.
119.
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Wala may nakasulat na katong akong gana. The one I like is kuan katong the brown sugar. Ay, this one, the brown sugar milk tea. Brown sugar, Assam milk tea, 119. Maybe I will try this one. This one. Brown sugar milk tea. Do you want be? Do you want be? Or do you want the mugo-mugo? Which one do you want? This tea? This milk tea? There's also, what flavor is this? The other one is kanang green milk tea. Green milk tea. There's vanilla milk tea. There's strawberry flavor. There's oolong tea. Uni siya ang brown sugar. Oh, this is just a normal milk tea. Uy, labi! Nakataka naman kabi.
That one is apple flavor.
Oh, apple flavor milk tea ha. Pag-ibig. Natagak.
And then hazelnut.
Natagak. Ha? This one hazelnut?
No.
What's this? Oolong milk tea.
Yeah.
Kani ako brown sugar. This one brown sugar.
Yeah.
How about you? Also?
Yeah.
Okay. Duha.
Is that one open? Yes.
Looks like. Okay, choose another one. The one from the back.
Don't you
This two.
take the straw then?
This one wala straw.
Yeah.
That one has straw. Okay, balik na. Okay. 180. 220. Rice. Dahan kay rice. Oh, different rice. What's that?
Put the milk tea in the bag. It stays cold. Make sure the straw doesn't drop, huh? Check, there's 2 pieces of straw as you put it in.
Yeah.
2 pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Yan guys, nag-hoard na naman kami ng pagkain doon sa Asian shop. Andiyan lang yung Asian shop o Sunlit. Tapos ito yung mga nakuha namin. So we have the brown sugar milk tea. And then we have, what's this one, Michael?
Over there.
This one is
Salted duck egg, touched by the cracked yolk, crisp skin, lip teeth.
oh, I don't know. So this one is like a biscuit with a duck egg yolk. Oh, diba? So mura siyang nabalot kunuhay no Pinoy. So this one is also the same. And then we got this fancy looking one. I don't know what it is. It's fat.
It's black egg.
Oh, it's black label. It's black biscuit with egg yolk. So food trip na naman, kakakain lang namin. Food trip na naman. Itong isa, oh, grabe ka-excited bukaon na. Wa pa daw siya nabusog dito sa Yamcha. So dito na naman kami. Yan, i-advertise gid niya, oh. So hindi pa kami nakatapos hindi pa kami nakatapos mupay pag tapos na mo kaon na pud suya. So sige daw be. So way be. Birada. Kaon na be. Dabi, show it to me.
Super, the double packaged.
Grabe. Grabe? Ah, grabe. Mura maghupya, be.
Huh?
Looks like hupya.
Oh, it's a hopia.
It looks like hopya. Be, sige daw. Open. Show the inside. Is there an egg yolk? Oh, there really is an egg yolk in it. Look. Pero, oh, lagi siya egg yolk there, oh. Oh. Dami, be.
You try.
You try, you open for me, Ken. That one. You give me half of that.
Are you cold?
Yeah, I just want to try. No need to give me the whole thing. I just want to try. Sige. Tilawins natin ito, be. Tilawins. So, naagid siya itlog. Itlog yun siya, oh. Lami siya. Lami. No? So, what's the difference of that one?
I don't know, but you have to try. Can't read the language. So again,
It looks like the other one is more brown than that one.
it's different. So the other one was brown around the edge.
Maybe that one is not the salted
I
egg
don't
yolk.
know. But this one contains a lip teeth and the other one also.
What's a lip tea?
Teeth. Nippon. Nippin.
Lip teeth?
No, lip.
Let me see.
But.
Lip teeth.
And teeth contains.
It's weird, I don't know about that one.
That's what makes it taste so good. It's
So,
the
mukbang na naman ito, guys. Mukbang na naman. Asian mukbang. Sige, be. Kaon, be.
black label.
Well, baliktad mo yung packaging, be. When you show it to me, it's upside down.
What was it? Sorry.
So, what does it say there?
I cannot read that.
You show it, then I'll ask Catherine Chin what it means.
She must say, hey, I hope you didn't eat that one. There's no English on there.
You show it, Catherine Chin, please.
It says super flavor, 150 grams, 3 pieces. The rest I cannot read. Even the ingredients list, I cannot read. Okay. Okay.
Huh? Oh, black, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe that's good to clean the tummy because it's black. the egg yolk, sure, egg yolk. Oh, grabe. Well, it looks like caviar, no? Is it salty, the egg yolk? So, yan ang aking share, guys. Oh. In different flavor. This milk tea is very nice. The brown sugar milk tea, made in Taiwan. This is the authentic one. It's made in Taiwan. You know the boba originated in Taiwan.
I did it?
Yes.
It has the label, no boba inside.
Yeah, this one has no boba.
The other one had a boba.
Yeah, but I don't mind not having the boba. No. So guys, ako na naman ang magtilaw. Tilawins natin itong black. Marag weird man siya, eh. Saba. Sa mukha ani gakawerduhan eh. I don't know, it tastes kind of weird. The middle one is like salted egg. I don't think this black, I don't like this black one. This second one looks the same as the other one, but the egg yolk is there's white and there's egg yolk.
Yes, you make different color, huh?
Mm. Mm. This doesn't taste like salty. It's just like the egg in the middle. I think this one, the first one, is the salted egg. Pero lami. Food trip na naman ito. Kaning duha nga sige lagkaon oh. Pero guys, hindi naman kami everyday talaga ng food trip. Baka sabihin nyo sige lang kami kain ha. Actually, pag nag-abot lang yung schedule namin ni Michael, saka lang kami magpo-food trip. So, today, nag-abot ang schedule namin. Actually, wala siyang pasok. Ako may pasok kanina 6:30 ng umaga hanggang 3 p.m. Tapos pag uwi ko, yun, naligo. Tapos kumain kami doon sa kuan. Kumain kami doon sa Yamcha. Tapos ito, gutom pa kasi siya guys kasi nag-intermittent fasting man yan siya. Hindi man niya siya kumain ng breakfast and lunch. So, kaya ngayon, gutom pa siya. Kaya yung sa Yamcha namin na kinain, kulang pa. Ayan o, makain na naman siya. This milk tea is good, no? I like the flavor of this milk tea. So guys, ayan, mag-adjourn na naman ako sa aming mga kuan. Kaya may pagkaon, oh. Busin muna namin to lahat, oh. Kung maubos namin, kung hindi, bitbitin na to sa bahay, dali na. So, hanggang dito muna tayo. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano na naman maharbat namin dito sa shopping center. Sige guys. Enjoy your evening. Have a great day. Have a great day. Evening na gali. No? Sige. Anyways. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Till next video.